Oh yeah, it's that time again. Time for another custom painted skateboard. Hello peoples, I just wanted to say something really quick before we get into the video. I just wanted to apologize for not uploading for a couple weeks there. Unfortunately, I didn't really have a choice. My laptop has been in the shop getting repairs, and because of all of the issues with shipping, I haven't been able to get the parts that I need. I'm very sorry for missing those uploads. I know that y'all depend on me like the 1st and 15th. I have been recording videos, but I haven't been able to edit them or upload them or anything like that, so obviously they haven't been showing up. Thank you for continuing to watch even after the small break. I really don't want to miss bringing anything to you guys because I really enjoy making the content, and as a small channel, I need to continue to keep rolling out content in order to grow. So don't worry, I will continue to be making videos, and I unfortunately / fortunately have been able to take some of this time for myself and just slow down a little bit because I've been working really hard to bring you guys these videos every week. A lot of these pieces will take, 30 plus hours on their own. And then obviously I have to edit them, come up with all the commentary, explain everything, figure out camera angles, upload them, make thumbnails, do final shots, blah, 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 blah. So it's been kind of nice to be able to take a little bit more time for myself, hang out with my dog more, focus on staying healthy and mentally healthy and stuff, because I'm a person who truly believes in a healthy work-life balance. There's no point in really having success if you're working all the time and you can't really enjoy your success, and there's no reason in making a ton of money, even though I'm not, don't get me wrong at all, if you can't enjoy that money, spread it around, spend it, and live life. And with that out of the way, let's get back into past me for the video. Don't worry, I will be uploading videos again. So keep your little hats and booties on. I shall return. Catch you. What's good, everybody? My name is Modi, this is Modi Makes, and today we're going to be getting back to the custom painted skateboard series. I'm particularly excited for this one that we're about to do because this one's going to be going to my friend Andrew, who you guys might remember if you've watched any of the ProAm Arts stuff that I've shot before. If you haven't, you should go check it out. It's pretty fun. It's just me and him goofing around and doing random different art challenges. I figured since he's the one who gave me all the skate decks for free, it would only be right for me to make one for him and send it over to him. I think it's gonna be probably the most challenging one out of the 3. So we're just gonna have to hope and pray that I don't mess it up. So let's get into it. Back to that spray paint grind like the last couple of times. Now comes the really tricky part for our prehistoric, primordial sunset gradient that I'm going to be putting on here. I'm literally going to have to pull out every single color of spray paint I have at my disposal currently. So let's see if I can pull this off. So now our spray paint sunset is all ready to go. All we need to do now is put on some matte medium to make the paint. All we need to do now is put on some matte medium to make the paints play well together. That's a harder phrase to say than you would expect. I just had to try it a couple times. There was a couple little issues with spray painting this surface here just because all the boards that I was given by my friend were actually ridden before, and he's quite a talented street skater. So he has a ton of like grind marks, and the tail and the nose are pretty messed up from him doing manuals and ollies and different, you know, things. I know about skating. I can ride a board. I say we're all good, and if I say we're good, then it's good. So let's do it.
Three weeks later.
Well, howdy do there, folks. It's been a couple weeks since I've actually done some filming for this project because I've been stuck doing a couple other projects, which you may have seen if you're following the channel, though there aren't a lot of you guys subscribed and following the channel right now. So if you would, go ahead and absolutely destroy that like and subscribe button. It would help me out a ton to get these videos out to more people, so that you know, you can help grow the channel and help me out and help me continue to bring you guys this absolutely perfectly high quality content for you. I gotta kind of recenter myself on this and figure out where we're at on this board here. Let me grab that actually. This guy right here, this guy. On the last couple boards I did, I was having a little bit of a tough time getting the transfers over. So I'm gonna be doing a different approach today, and I'm gonna be using some transfer paper, like a big rankle brain, boy. So let's do that. So for this process right here, I'm just going to be, oh, look at those old sketches. No, let's not look at those actually. That's like college stuff, way long ago. I'm going to be lathering on some of this here newsprint paper, which I'm going to be using to actually put the sketch on top of. Ew, gross. Get out of there. I swear, every time I have to do this or put a key on a key ring, it's always right after I just cut my nails. Still don't know how I'm gonna smooth this out though. I'll be back. All right, new plan. Yaha! Willest thou not just stick? I'm sure that won't be annoying foreshadowing for the future. Wink, 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 wink. Okay. Alright, got the sketch all set up. Now I just gotta taper down and transfer it over. Pray for me. Let's hope this works. Truth. Please, please, please. Oh, that's promising. Tape wouldn't stay on there when I was doing it, but now I can't get it off, huh? Oh, nice. Heck yeah, that works great. the piece is final. But before I show it to you guys, obviously we got to get into the final shots, and I don't want to ruin those. But before we get into the final shots, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. I'm a small channel, and the more people that watch and the more people that share it, obviously helps me out a ton. So for all of you that have made it this far into the video, to the end of the video, you guys are great. You really hold me down, and I appreciate it a ton. You guys are the people that I make these videos for. And you know, if you like the video, go ahead and slap the shit out of that like button. If you're not subscribed and you're watching this, slap the shit out of that subscribe button. It really helps out a ton as well. You know, let me know what you guys think about the piece down in the comments. I have 3 more decks that I'm going to be making for a art fair that I'm going to in May. It's called Superfine, and I'm really excited to do that. And I've been really enjoying the series and working with paint pens and stuff more. So without further ado, let's get into those final shots, shall we?